Today I will talk about how can you enable Vibrate on top on your Vizio app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here, and just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here on the app settings. You just click on it here. Then you can, it's going to take you to this list. Come here to Vibrate on top. Click here in this sign. Like you see this color show for us. That's me Vibrate on top. It's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.